Once again, a very good morning, all of you. Today, in this session, we will discuss some important questions. So, let's watch. Calculate mean, variance, and standard deviation for following data. Data is given for you, class and frequency all are given. Now, we are discussing given data is neither discrete nor continuous. So, first of all, watch why it is not continuous or not discrete. Reason is 33 to 36. We have all type of numbers, even fractional, even decimal, so it is not discrete. Okay, and now was 36 to 37, we are missing some values like 36.1, 36.2, so it is not continuous. I think, is it clear why it is not discrete and not continuous? Now, and if you have still problem in discrete and continuous data, then please go back in some basic facts of the statistics. In that video you will know what are the discrete data and what are the continuous data. Okay, now come in our topic this time. Now, so this is not neither continuous nor discrete. So first of all we will make it continuous. So first our purpose is to make these questions, this data continuous. Only then we will apply our formula. Okay, now so for how we will convert it in continuous data? In this thing we have to do that this is the lower limit, this is the upper limit. So in and watch one thing, what is the gapping between these two class? This is 36 and 37. In this we have the gapping of 1. So divide 1 in two parts, that is 0.5. So in lower limit subtract 0.5 and upper limit add 0.5, which we are doing. This thing we will do in all class intervals. Okay, so first was our 33, so we have subtracted 0.5, 32.5, and second was 36, so we have added 0.5. Okay, and now like this we have done in all the intervals. Okay, now xi, you know that xi is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2, which we have done here. If you will do, you will get this data. Now, and watch what is the difference between these two. This is 36.5 minus 32 point, suppose then minus the 32.5, it will be 4. It means 4 is the difference. So no need to do every time this plus the by 2, just add the differences, that is 4. It means class height, class width, you will get 34.5 plus 4, 38.5 plus 4, 42.5 plus 4, like this you will get. Okay, now we have given the frequency, write it frequency. Now deviation, why we are calculating this deviation? Because we have to calculate mean, and in mean we have need these things. Okay, now deviation xi minus a by h. So your h value is 4, just you have already discussed this time. Okay, now h is 4. A, in generally you know that a is that value which is in generally middlemost in xi. Okay, it is not always a middle term. You may take any value, but it will be better take middlemost. Okay, so we have taken a 42.5, and now just xi 34.5 minus 42.5 divided by h, that is 4, you will get minus 2. You will calculate it, and like this we will perform for 50.5 to, yes, 50.5 minus a, what's the value of a? 42.5 divided by h, that is 4, equal to 2. You will get like this. Now come, you have need also di square. Okay, so use what will be squaring? Minus 2, that is 4, minus 1, 1, like this you will do. And now calculate fi di. You have both data, fi given, di given, so just multiply it, you will get both things in table. Okay, now come here, you have also need of fi di square. So di square is also given, so fi is this, what will be 15 into 4, 16, like this, 17 into 1 17, like this 25 into 400, and now again add these things. Okay, now once you have done this all things, now come in formula. First, mean. Formula A plus summation fi di by n into h. You have all datas above given. A given, assumed mean. This we are just putting value is this here, 42.5 A value. Now this value is given 25 and 100 we have written h4, and now just calculate, you will get 43.5. I think you got it. Now formula variance, you have given h square by n square in bracket n into summation fi di square. Here it was need of di square, that's why we have calculated in the our table di square. So and now uh, again under bracket summation fi di whole square, and it is bracket closed. Now every things we have already. So h square 16, n square 100 square, and 100, this value is given 199, so just we have put here. Okay, and now this value is 25 square. Okay, now 16 by this will be, after multiplying this will happen, this is 625. So and after its subtraction you will get 9275, and this is written here, and after cancelling these things you will get this. Okay, and now last, standard deviation. You know standard deviation is just the square root of variance, positive. So we have taken standard deviation, square root of variance, this is. And what was variance? You have variance is 30.84, and just we have calculated this. Okay, I think you got it, this fact. If still you have problem, then please comment. I will try to make you understand. Thank you, have a nice day.